Today I'm going to show you how to create one Excel file per source record. For this tutorial, I'll be using demo customer CSV file that you can download from GitHub. Check the video description for the link. Let's start from creating new transformation. I'll call it generating Excel files. First thing we need to set up reader properties. So connection name is source. Setting up source file. Next thing we need to set writer properties. Connection name is target, connection type is Excel file, creating new file, creating header, data, selecting file name, so what we need to do now, we need to insert variable into file name, and this variable called file name will be replaced with actual value during the execution. Copying the field names from the reader, and we are now ready to do the mapping. Using automap function, and we need to add calculation. To the transformation. Calculation will have only one parameter. So let's see. And editor. Here is the calculation. What it does, it checks the variable, and if it is not set, sets or different compared to previous one, sets the variable name to new value and create new file. This function actually forces creating new file. Click OK. Click OK, and now we are ready to run the transformation. Let's check if we actually have the files in the directory. Here are the files, and they do have all the data we need, about 100 of them. So, Advanced ETL Processor can convert very complex data into various formats. It can be automated in multiple ways. If you want us to assist you with transforming this data, please post your questions on our support forum, and we will do our best to help you. You'll find the link in the description. If you find this tutorial useful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.